All right, let's talk about how we actually define the absolute value function. Now, most of you know what an absolute value means. We're treating it as like a distance that a number is away from zero. So we know that the absolute value is always going to be positive. But how do we mathematically define it? Well, technically, it's a piecewise function. So the absolute value of x is defined as just the value x if x is greater than or equal to zero, but it's also defined as negative x if x is less than or equal to zero. Okay, and this kind of makes a little bit more sense if we look at the graph of the absolute value. The absolute value function makes this V shape. Now notice that this part is y equals x, and this part is y equals negative x. So when x is less than 0, we're going to use negative x, and when x is greater than 0, we're just going to use x. So this is the formal definition of the absolute value function.